6, subject mathematics, chapter number 2, addition and subtraction. The topic is subtraction with regrouping. Learning outcomes. At the end of the unit, students will be able to subtract 4-digit numbers with regrouping with tens, hundreds and thousands. Subtraction regrouping with tens. As we know that regrouping means changing of the group. Regrouping with tens means change the group into ones. Let's find the difference of 6,342 and 4,216 and represent the number as base 10 block system. Representation should be like this. Now we have to write the number in vertical form and observe the ones column. This is 2 in the minuend place, and you have to subtract the 6 from the 2 is smaller, so we have to take the borrow from the tens column and change 1 10 into 10 ones. Then it should be like this. 10 we have changed the 10 1 10 into 10 ones. Now the ones is 12. 12 minus 6 is 6 left, and when we take 110 from the tens column, we have 3. 3 minus 1 is 2, and 3 minus 2 is 1 in hundreds column, and 6 minus 4 is 2. Final representation is like this: 2126. Now subtraction regrouping with hundreds. Regrouping with 100 means changing the group of hundreds into tens. Let's learn with example. Find the difference of 4623 and 2456. Represent the number in base 10 system. Then observe the number. We have to subtract 6 from 3. 3 is a smaller number. We have to take the borrow from tens column and change into 10 ones. Now again, if we observe the tens column, we have to subtract 5 from the 2. But there is not 2. 1 is go to the 10, has gone to the ones column. So we have just left 1. So we cannot subtract 5 from 1. We can take the borrow from the hundreds column and change 100 into 10 tens. Then 10 ones in ones column become 13 ones, and minus 6 is 7, and 110 become 11 10. 11 minus 5 is 6, and then 5 minus 4 is 1, and 4 minus 2 is 2. So the answer is, the difference is 2167. Now subtraction regrouping with 1000. Regrouping with 1000 means changing the group of 1000 into hundreds. Now find the difference of 6342 and 4556. Number represent in the base 10 system, base 10 block system. Now observe it. Again, the below number is greater than the above number. We have to take the borrow from the tens column. 110 become 10 ones, and it should be 12 ones, and then go to the next row, which is 100, and change into 10 tens. 110 tens, and then we observe that 5 cannot be subtracted from 2, so we can take the borrow from the hundreds thousands column and change into 10 hundreds. Now 12 minus 6 is 6, 13 minus 6 is 7, 12 minus 5 is 7, and then 5 minus 4 is 1. So answer is 1776. Now let's do some practice. We have to subtract 2579 from 3460. Represent the number in the place value chart. 3460 minus 2579. Start from the ones place. There is 0. We have to take the borrow from the tens column. So 10 minus 9 is 1. When we have taken 1 from tens column, so there is left 5 left, and we cannot subtract 7 from 5. We will take the borrow from the hundreds column. 15 minus 7 is 8, and how many left in hundreds column? 3 is left. So again we cannot take away 5 from the 300. We have to take the 1 from the thousands column and become 1300. 13 minus 5 is 8. Now 2 minus 2 is 0. The difference is 881. Now take another example. Subtract 1946 from 3804 and number place in the place value chart, and start from the ones column. Observe the number. Above number is smaller than the greater number. You have to take the borrow from the tens column, but there is no number in the tens column. There is 0. So we have to go to the next row. This is 100. We have to take the borrow from the hundreds column, and it's become 10 tens, and then we have to need from the ones column in the ones column. So again we take the borrow from tens column. So it will become 14. 14 minus 6 is 8. 9 minus 4 is 5, and when we have taken 100 from the 7 from the 8, so we have left 7. Again we cannot subtract 9 from the 7. We have to take the borrow from the thousands column. So 17 minus 9 is 8, and there is left 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. So answer is 1858. Now subtract 4356. It's from 5000. Let's observe the minuend. Minuend have 3 0, and it is very difficult. So we have to observe first place the number in the place value chart, and then start from the ones column. We have observed that 6 cannot be subtract from the 0, so we have to go to the next row, that is 10. But there is 0, so we have to go to the hundreds column. There is again 0, so we have to go to the thousands column, and there is 5. So we have to take 1000 and turns into 1000. When we have take 1000 from the thousands column, 4 is left. Then we need to take the borrow from the hundreds column, and then turns into 10 tens. There is 10, but actually where we need the borrow from the ones column. In the ones column we have taken again borrow from the tens column and turns into 10 ones. Now the regrouping has been done in 1000, 100, tens and ones. So start subtraction. 10 minus 6 is 4. 9 minus 5 is 4. 9 minus 3 is 6. 4 minus 4 is 0. I hope you have learned all the regrouping with tens, 100, thousands. Keep practicing it to be perfect in it. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.